In so many words, the UI Toolkit is a replacement for the Unity UI and immediate mode GUI systems. If you've ever tried to create custom editors before, you know it can feel a bit unintuitive at times. A couple of years back, Unity came up with a solution in the form of the UI Builder. Now when we refer to the UI Builder, we refer to the window used to work with the .uxml files and the UI toolkit for the UI system as a whole. And so the UI toolkit can be broken down into three sections: the UI system, UI assets, and then tools and resources. And so within the UI system, we have the visual tree. This is your hierarchy. The elements at the end of the hierarchy are rendered on top of elements before them. Controls enable you to encapsulate your visual elements. For those of you with a web development background, you can think of controls as React components. The data binding system is really neat. It allows you to bind serialized properties and then have the UI reflect any changes to those properties automatically. Again, the layout engine, for those of you with a web development background, this is your CSS Flexbox. The event system, this is the same event system that you know and love from the old Unity system. It allows you to react to mouse events. UI renderer I won't get into. And then the UI Toolkit run support. This is what allows you to use the UIs built using the UI Builder in-game. Under UI assets, we have UXML documents. So UXML, or Unity Extensible Markup Language, is a markup language similar to HTML, and it can be used to structure your user interfaces. USS, or Unity Style Sheets, allow you to style your elements. USS is basically a subset of CSS. And then under UI Tools and Resources, we have the UI Debugger, and you can think of this as your Chrome inspector. It allows you to view UXML structures and USS styles. Like we mentioned before, the UI Builder lets you view and edit UXML files. And then the UI samples are a set of custom controls that come with the UI Toolkit.